Is that a little bit of toothpaste? That's cute. Good morning. We're currently having a nap. In this time, right, this time is precious. You have a decision. Do you have something to eat? Do you go and hang the washing out? Do you do the pots? Do you put the food shop away? Do I go and strip the bed? Do I go and have a shower? Do I tidy up? Or do I just make myself a cup of tea and sit and watch telly? Like, I don't know how long this precious little bit of time I've got. I don't know how long that's going to last because he doesn't very often nap during the day. But anyway, good morning. Happy Monday. The decision to wash my hair this morning and then didn't have any time to like do anything with it. So this is what we're dealing with. I hope we're all doing really, really well. I hope you enjoyed last week's little vlog. But yes, let me tell you when I say Tesco Click and Collect has saved my life. Like, saved my life. I wasn't a Tesco shopper because I was like, oh no, Tesco's really expensive. But it's actually at this moment in time during this cost of living crisis, I'm finding Aldi is just as expensive now, and the quality, I'm sorry Aldi if you're listening, quality of the produce is just not quite up to scratch. And I think I had a bit of a whinge about it last week. I spent £7 on strawberries and about 3 of them got eaten and the rest were like mouldy in no time. I've never got over that. So yeah, so I did a big Tesco online order yesterday morning, and I picked a slot for this morning between 8 and 10, right? Plenty of time, seeing as I have been up since 5:30 this morning. But I don't know what it is. I don't know whether it's part of my personality. What time did I rock up to that between 8 and 10 slot? 3 minutes to 10. 3 minutes to 10. Now, this is a regular occurrence for me. So the guy, an absolute angel, who it's a bit of a weird setup. It doesn't actually come from the store that I go and pick it up from. There's a guy in a van and he literally sits there for 2 hours waiting for people to come and collect their orders. And obviously if you miss that slot, he's gone. See you later. Don't know where he takes it. So I have done that before where I've missed the slot and had to go to like a different store and go and collect it from there, and it was a whole nightmare. But anyway, it was 3 minutes to 10 and I flew into that Tesco car park on 2 wheels, let me tell you. And I was like, oh my God, I'm so glad you're still here. And he was like, no, I saw your name, I would have waited. Anywho, so I went and collected everything, and basically I want this vlog. It's Monday, I've done the food shop, I'm going to go through everything that I've got because we are getting organised, sisters. We are eating well, we are exercising, we are getting our lives back. When I uploaded not my last vlog, the one before, which was like my first vlog back, and I put Finding Our Feet, I felt like, should I just call each one of my vlogs Finding Our Feet, like episode 1, episode 2, because that is literally what we're doing. We are finding our feet. This is not just applying just to mothers, this is applying to life. We need to get organised, we need structure. Whether you've got a baby or not, you've got to be organised and structured. Oh my God, so much word vomit. I've obviously spent the last 3 months as a new mom. We're nearly on 4 months now, I keep saying 3 months. But I've not been eating. I've not been eating, and that is not intentional. I am wasting away. The muscle mass is at 0 at this point, and I want to be getting my meals in. But in order to do that, we need to prepare, because I have not got the time to be cooking meals from scratch just at this moment in time, sitting eating it leisurely, sat on the couch eating it, or sat at the dining table eating my dinner. That doesn't happen anymore. And then washing the pots, we've not got time. So it all has to be done in one fell swoop. I hope you can hear me over that washing machine. It's absolutely great. It's all got to be done in one fell swoop. So that is the main premise of today's vlog, how we are getting prepared and we're getting organised. I started it last week and it worked really, really well. So I want to share my new knowledge with you. Now tell me your nail tech is on maternity without telling me. Just got absolute stubs for fingers at this point, and they're actually really sore. I like picked them off with my teeth last night. That wasn't a good idea. Right on cue. This little boy does not miss his meal times, let me tell you. We now have one happy boy. Praise the Lord. Oh my God. He lets you know when he's hungry. If you can see the wall behind me, by the way, please just no judge me. I'm not sure whether I actually explained it in last week's vlog or whether I cut that bit out, can't remember. But we've swapped the living room round, so it's the opposite way to where it was. And the wooden panelling that we had on the wall, well, that was this wall. Anyway, long story short, I'm not going to bore you with it. It's now on the opposite wall. This wall just needs like filling and painting. But yeah, we had quite a good window there where Ronnie was having a nice little nap. What I like to do when I do go food shopping, I'll get a big shop in. I like to empty all the cupboards, get rid of any old stuff, empty the fridge, clean the fridge. I'm a little bit anal about my fridge. If things are like mishmash, I can't cope with it. Like, I need to see what's in there. And things have to be put in like day order. Is everybody like that? Probably. Yeah, so I was just going through the fridge and cleaning it out and set everything up and show you what I've got for our, like for meals and stuff this week. I just think nice to show you a bit of just an idea, just in case you're like lacking in inspiration or just need a bit of a boost, a bit of a kick up the bum to go out and do a healthy food shop. I'm just very, very impressed with Tesco. Like I said, it's not that much more expensive than Aldi. Just feel like the produce is so much better. Like, oh, what is this vlog? Where's the pretty little thing haul and the exciting stuff? I'm just talking about the inside of my fridge. Like, Jodie, what is this YouTube channel now? So honestly, like in Ronnie's earlier days when he was really, really young, it would take him up to an hour, sometimes an hour and a half to finish a bottle. They feed every 3 hours. So, but that goes from the time you started. Say, for example, he would be due a feed at 12. It would take him an hour and a half to finish it. So that's half one. And then he'd be due a feed again at 3. So the windows were even shorter. But now, nearly 4 months in, sometimes 10 minutes, sometimes 20. But it's just so much quicker than what it used to be. And we love that for us. Any burpees? Mwah. Yes! Woo woo! Good afternoon. Ronnie has now been fed and he is happy as Larry watching Bluey on the TV. Now, I posted a little thing the other week, a little story on my Instagram. Basically, like pre-baby, I was like, I would never just shove my child in front of the TV because I used to think, oh, you know, that's really bad parenting. But now here we are. Ronnie is 6 hours deep into this Bluey live stream. No, I'm joking, he's not been sat there for 6 hours, but I have just put it on for him just so he will stay quiet just for a little while whilst I put the food shopping away because it has been sat there now for like 2 hours. Laid everything out just so I can quickly show you what we've got and just pre-warn you that this is a very basic, very easy shop. Like, there's nothing spectacular. Please don't expect to be flabbergasted by this food shop because you are not going to be. You will be bitterly disappointed. It's very, very basic because we're starting from scratch. We're just going for nice, easy, quick things that I don't have to put too much thought into, as well as everything else that I have to do during the course of the day. Got some strawberries, some bananas. That's it in terms of fruit because we have got a fruit bowl full of apples that are going off. Anybody else? Like, I buy apples and then nobody eats them. Milk. I got this again, right, this is really lazy of me because we do actually have proper porridge oats, but I never eat them because I can never be bothered weighing it out. However, this is in the little sachets, so I got that, I got them. I got some Weetabix, which I'm not eating a ton of Weetabix at the minute, but it's good to have it in. I am on a brioche bun ban. I cannot buy any more brioche buns because I bought 3 packets because Stefan goes through them like they're going out of fashion because we are currently on a bulk. And I've also got a cupboard full of brioche buns. Stunning, love that for me. Moving swiftly on, these were on offer for £1.70 with a club card. So I got 20 of them. Yes, you heard that right. And then swiftly on to like protein and meats, like the main bulk of any meals. I've got 3 packets of this mince, which again, the mince from, I'm gonna slag Aldi off anymore, but this mince, hang on. This mince from Tesco is so much nicer. I don't think they do the bigger packet, the 750 gram things, so I can never, they're always out of stock online, so I just got 3 lots of 500 grams. So I'm going to show you what I do with them. 2 packets of boneless salmon fillets. Stefan will have 2 of them for 1 meal, hence why I got 2 packets. And then I did treat us to 2 fillet steaks this week, of which I will cook those from fresh. I ain't gonna meal prep them. And I picked up these 6 chicken sausages. I am following a bit of a structured plan at the minute just because I feel like that works better for me if I'm working off a plan. And on that plan is cookies. Before the gym, I would have a protein shake and a cookie. And it's like one of my favourite parts of the day, so we are including that in our daily routine. So I got those. I got the triple Belgian chocolate ones and the Belgian white chocolate and honeycomb. They do also do a white chocolate and raspberry. Thank me later, you need to try them. They were out of stock, hence why I didn't get them. Then moving on to like veg stuff. Butterhead salad is my favourite type of salad. Cut some of that up, couple of tomatoes, olives, love them. They were two, I think they were two for £5 and you do get loads in. So got them, some avocados. I got 2 cauliflower because I'm obsessed with cauliflower at the minute. I don't know what it is, I just really, really like it. They didn't have any proper broccoli, like a broccoli floret. So I just got tender stem broccoli. 2 packets of baby corn. These, which again, just chuck it in with any little meal and it just bulks it up a little bit. Laundry stuff, I've got this for our stuff. And then when I do the bedding for the Airbnb, I just use something different. And I got that one this week. And then I'm gonna go through how I prep, or I'm saying it like I do it all the time. I did it last week and it worked. It worked wonders. The only issue was we wasn't having enough veg with our meals, especially Stefan. He was taking, like weighing out a certain amount of chicken, taking chicken with him to work or salmon or whatever, but not taking any veg. So that's, to me, is no good. I feel like you should always have something green on your plate. Like, I feel like you just need a bit of salad or a bit of veg, anything. I'll show you how I'm gonna prep. Listen, please do not be expecting Nigella Lawson vibes. I can't stress enough how basic this is, but just so easy. But last thing I just want to show you very quickly, because I'm going to sit down with the brew in a minute because I feel like I've just not had a minute this morning. Anyway, a 5 kilogram extra lean chicken breast. I started getting one of these every week, which is from Meat Mart. Don't know whether there's more than one Meat Mart in the world, but it's just a place that sells meat. Do this big pack of chicken breast fillets, £26.95, and honestly, like, how many chicken breasts? I don't know how many chicken breasts are in there because I think it's weighed out. I would honestly say there's probably like 30 chicken breasts in there. Once I've sat down, had a brew, I want to do a little bit of editing for the latest vlog, and then I'm going to prep some food. I need to have some dinner as well because I'm starving. Yeah, I will go through like what I'm doing at the minute to food prep because it's just so much of an easier way.
This is your 3-second warning. If you've got a fear of raw chicken, then look away now. Take 23. Ronnie is not playing ball. I have got him sat on my knee whilst I do this voice recording. Oh my word. Anyway, I cut up all my chicken and then I seasoned it with Cajun, Nando sauce and soy sauce. And then I basically just rubbed it all together with my hands. It was pretty disgusting, but you've got to do what you got to do. You can let that sit for a couple of hours. Let it sit for a couple of hours in the fridge. I've not got time for that. So that did just go straight in the oven like that. But I do think if you let it sit, it would be really, really nice. Then here I am showing you my Calm tea bags. I do need 3 boxes of these at one time. Really nice, by the way. So here we go, prepping my salmon there. I did a little salad that night for our tea. That's Stefan's. He had 2 chicken burgers with a side salad. Oh, there we go. That was me. Oh, that was a struggle. No, that was the salmon once it was done. Again, that sits in the fridge for like 4 or 5 days and it does last. And then clearly I didn't do an ending to this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.